phonics friends. I hope you're all well today and ready for your next cooking adventure. The letter we're going to be learning about today is the letter C. Letter C makes a K sound in words. I wonder what words we can think of that start with a K sound. Let's have a look on my table, shall we? Over here I have my cup, K for cup. In this cup I especially like coffee, K for coffee. Over here I have some cards, K for cards. And on the picture is a cow, K, cow. Let's have a look what else I have. On this book I have a picture of a cockatoo, K, cockatoo. His name is Cuddly Callum. Over here I have a car, K, car. Goes very fast. My table has a cloth on it, K, cloth. And here I have a handful of coins, K, coins. Can you say the K sound with me? K for coins. Fantastic. Over here at the back I have a cat, not a real cat, K for cat. There's another picture of a cat, if you can see way back here, K, cat. Now, let's get cooking, K, cooking. On my table, I have corn, K, corn. Did you hear the K sound when we say corn? We're not going to cook with corn today. I have a cucumber, K, cucumber. We're going to make cucumber carrot cookies. Yum! I have a plate of carrots all ready for cooking. Let's count them, shall we? 1, 2, 3 carrots. But I think I might just use 1 carrot today because it's just me eating my lunch. I won't need to use all 3 carrots. Let's begin, shall we? I have my grater back here. That's going to be for the carrots, but I'm going to start with the cucumber. Please remember to ask an adult to help you when you need to cut your food. I'm using my blunt knife because the cucumber is quite soft. Not squishy, but it's soft enough for a blunt knife. I'm going to cut little thin slices, just like little cookies. Let's begin. I don't want to eat the end, so I'll push the end aside. I think I'll just cut 3 slices today. There's 1, 2, and 3. Those are my little slices of cucumber for my cucumber carrot cookies. Okay, let's put the cucumber aside over there. Let's get my grater and let's grate our carrot onto our cucumber cookies. My grater fits over the cucumber, so the grated carrot will fall straight onto my cucumber cookies. There's my carrot. Please be careful not to scrape your fingers on the grater. It's quite sharp. Let me begin. Listen to the sound of the grater. Can you hear it making that grating noise? There we are. My cucumber carrot cookies are nearly ready. Yummy. I didn't even need to use the whole carrot, just a half a carrot. And here I have my cucumber carrot cookies. Shall I taste it and let you know what it tastes like? Ready to hear me crunch? K for crunch. So yummy. I can't wait for you to try your cucumber carrot cookies. They are delicious. I'm still munching mine. Yummy. Tomorrow we'll do some more cooking. Be sure to come back to visit. Bye for now.